Good morning. I'm Cindy Snell with Silver Key Properties, and I'm sitting here with you on this very hot and humid July morning in Surprise, Arizona. This property we listed a couple of weeks ago. It went under contract within 48 hours with 28 offers. It's under for $40,000 over what we asked. So right now I am waiting on the appraiser to show up, and I need to be here so that I can explain to him why this house is worth $340,000 instead of $300,000, which we thought a month ago. So what I have done is prepared a little packet to send away with him that explains how much we're under contract for, how many contract offers we had for that dollar amount, and also what the comps look like within the last 30 days here in Surprise, and then also kind of a list of the things that he did to the house, like the new carpet and the new stove and all that kind of stuff. First of all, here is just so you can see the sheer volume. We've got 27 offers that weren't accepted here, and just the volume of work that went into all of this is insane, but that's how this market is right now. So what I wanted to show you, that as a realtor, what we do to make sure that the appraiser understands, this is going to have to be worth 340. Here's the executed contract that we are currently executing. It's every page of it to show that it's worth 340. Here's some more offers. I didn't want to give them all these because that's a lot of darn paperwork right there. So what I did, I took the 3 offers that were at $340,000 and just did like the first and last page plus the pre-qual, so he can see that legitimately 3 people wanted to pay $40,000 over asking price for this. And if that is not enough to convince him, I've also went in to comparative sales. The last 30 days, I found 8 sales. This one, 3 days, 20,000 over. This one, 4 days, 25,000 over. 6 days, that one's only 5,000 over. But you get the idea. 7 days, another 25,000 over. And then I also made a list of kind of the improvements in their repairs. And then some receipts and stuff to show what he paid for things that he did prior to listing it. So we're just going to sit here and wait for him, and hopefully he is just enthralled with all the information I was able to gather for him, and that it's an easy peasy decision for him. So I will let you know how it turns out. In the meantime, we wish us luck.